Hello friends, welcome back. In today's lecture, I am Dr. Milind Mishra. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nashik. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the various factors that are affecting the SN1 reaction. So, today we will see the stereochemistry, which is also which can be seen in SN1 reaction. Stereochemistry. In the SN1 reaction, rate determining step is the slow step. So in the first step, there is a formation of carbocation. Alright. So the nucleophile can attack from the both side. Alright. It can attack from the front side as well as back side. So it could give the 50% retention product and 50% inversion product if we start with the chiral substrate. Alright. However, sometimes the inversion product will be more as compared to the retention products. So let us have the example. We will see the stereochemistry. So we could get this retention product %, and this okay. So when you treat this R enantiomer in the aqueous ethanol, it gives the retention product 17% and inversion product 17. Why it is so? In the first step, the formation of carbocation will take place. Then this nucleophile attack from both the side, from front side as well as rear side. So as I mentioned it before, when the ionization takes place, the departing bromide ion will be in the proximity with the carbocation. That's why it blocks the attack of the nucleophile, so that more attack will be from the back side. So inversion product will be more. Alright. So let us see its mechanism. Here cyan pair. Okay. So this departing bromide ion will be the proximity with this carbocation, so that this incoming incoming nucleophile will be blocked. This, okay, due to this bromide ion, presence of this bromide ion, it blocks the entry of this nucleophile. So this nucleophile will approach from the rear side. This is the back side attack. So this is the front side attack. That means the ratio of the retention product will be less than that of the this inversion product. All right. So in the second step, exhale. Then we have we get this we could generate this. So this is the back side attack. Back side. And this is the front side. So in the step 3, this is the step 2, and this is step 3. Deprotonation will take place, and we could get this inversion product. So substrate is R, so inversion would be S. Inversion product all right. So it is 83%, and this will be the retention product. This will be the R retention product, 17%. So it clearly shows that the retention product is less. Alright. So inversion product will be more. Because of this bromide ion close proximity with carbocation for some time, it doesn't allow to enter this to attack that nucleophile. Alright, so this nucleophile will approaches from the rear side to get this inversion product. Alright, so this is how the stereochemistry plays the role in the SN1 reaction. Effect of solvent in the SN1 reaction, the solvent plays an important role in the rate of the SN1 reactions. Alright, and in first step, the ionization takes place. Alright, so carbocation and halide ion will be formed. So in this case, the polar solvent like water or ethanol will solvate these ions so that the rate of the reaction will also get increases. Alright. Polar solvents like water stabilizes the carbocation and halides. Alright, so these polar solvents plays a major role in the rate of the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Both the ions will be stabilized by, for example, carbocations and halides by solvation. Alright, so if we have these solvents solvent and ethanol. So rate of this reaction will be 20% water plus 80% ethanol. So rate will be 10 if 40% water plus 60% ethanol, so it will be 30 if 50% water plus 50% ethanol, so rate will be 60 if 100% water, so then rate will be 1200. So this table indicates if we have the solvent like water, so rate will be more. Alright. So if we have 100% ethanol, so relative rating will be 1. If it is 80% ethanol, 20% water, so it will be 10 times more as compared to the 100% ethanol. If we have 40% water and 60% ethanol, so it will be 30, and if it is 50-50, so it will be 60, and if you have 100% water, so it will be 1200. So that means the solvent like water, this polar solvent plays a major role in the rate of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So when you change the water from the less polar to more polar, less polar solvent like ethanol to more polar solvent like water, so rate of the reaction will increases 1000 times more. Alright, so this is all about the today's topic. So in the next lecture we will see the SN2 reaction in detail. Thank you.